Welcome back to everyone. I hope you're doing well today. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future content on the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles, technology, and performance. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. Now, let's get into today's video. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of the upcoming year, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Yes, you heard that right. Kawasaki is bringing some serious innovation and performance to the table with their latest version of the Ninja H2R. Now, before we get started, I want you to take a deep breath because we're about to go through every single detail of this bike, from its cutting-edge technology to the insane performance specs and, of course, the overall design that makes it one of the most talked-about superbikes in the world. To truly appreciate the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R, we need to look at how the H2R line evolved. Kawasaki first introduced the H2R back in 2015, and from the very start, it was clear that this machine was something out of this world. It was more than just a superbike, it was a statement. With its supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine and eye-watering power, the H2R immediately took the motorcycle world by storm. Fast forward to 2026, and the H2R lineage continues to evolve. With each iteration, Kawasaki has pushed the limits of what's possible in terms of speed, handling, and technology. The 2026 model isn't just about more horsepower or faster speeds, it's about refinement. This bike is built for enthusiasts who want not just a fast motorcycle, but an experience that can only be matched by the most exclusive and extreme machines on the planet. So, let's dive deeper and explore what Kawasaki has packed into the new H2R for 2026. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the engine. For 2026, Kawasaki has taken everything that made the original H2R so insane and refined it to a whole new level. The engine remains supercharged, with a 998cc inline-4 setup that produces mind-blowing horsepower. The exact power output for the 2026 model has yet to be officially confirmed, but it's expected to exceed the 310 horsepower mark, which was already an insane figure on the 2021 model. What's even more impressive is that Kawasaki has introduced a range of new technologies to ensure that this raw power doesn't just translate into speed, but also enhances the rider experience. New engine management systems, improved intercoolers, and a more efficient supercharger have been integrated into the design. This means even more consistent power delivery, better throttle response, and a bike that's smoother to ride at high speeds. Kawasaki is also incorporating advanced cooling technologies to ensure that the engine can handle the extreme heat generated by pushing such massive amounts of power. There are additional air intakes and an upgraded radiator system, which work together to keep things running smoothly even when you're at full throttle on a track. Next, let's talk about the chassis. Kawasaki knows that with great power comes the need for an even greater frame. The 2026 H2R continues to utilize its signature trellis frame, which is lightweight yet incredibly rigid. The trellis frame provides the perfect balance between stability and agility, ensuring that the H2R feels solid on the straights, but still responsive when carving corners. The frame itself is made of high-strength steel and aluminum, ensuring durability, while keeping the weight as low as possible. Speaking of weight, the H2R has always been a beast in terms of power-to-weight ratio, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. Kawasaki has made sure to shed any unnecessary pounds, using lightweight components like magnesium and titanium where possible to enhance performance without compromising strength. As for the suspension, Kawasaki has equipped the H2R with the latest iteration of its Erlins electronic racing suspension. The electronic suspension offers real-time adjustments based on riding conditions, giving riders the ability to fine-tune the bike's handling. Whether you're on a track day or on a winding mountain road, the suspension will automatically adjust to give you the best performance possible. This is an upgrade over previous models, which required manual adjustments. Now you can focus on the ride and let the technology do the work for you. Braking is another area where Kawasaki has gone all out. The 2026 Ninja H2R will feature carbon brakes, a high-performance material known for its incredible stopping power. These brakes are lighter and more durable than traditional steel or ceramic options, which is crucial when you're pushing this bike to its limits at extreme speeds. Kawasaki has also partnered with Brembo to provide a set of their top-of-the-line brakes, ensuring the H2R delivers unrivaled braking performance. The braking system will be paired with an advanced anti-lock braking system (ABS), which can be turned off in track mode for even more precise control. This kind of attention to braking performance is what sets the H2R apart from many of its competitors. Moving on to the design, this is where the 2026 Ninja H2R truly shines. The aggressive styling remains with sharp lines and a futuristic, almost alien aesthetic. But this bike isn't just about looks, it's about function too. The aerodynamic design has been reworked to further improve high-speed stability. The large front fairing, rear wing and integrated tail section work together to keep the bike planted, even when you're reaching top speeds of over 249 miles per hour. One of the standout features of the 2026 model is the active aerodynamics. Kawasaki has introduced adjustable aero elements that automatically adjust based on speed and throttle input. These aero elements help maximize downforce at high speeds and reduce drag at lower speeds, giving you a smoother and more efficient ride. The color scheme remains bold and aggressive, with Kawasaki's signature green and black combination. The high-tech design isn't just eye-catching, it's functional. Every line, every curve, has been meticulously crafted to reduce drag and improve airflow over the bike. Now, let's talk about the technology. Kawasaki isn't just about raw power and performance, they also bring cutting-edge electronics to enhance the riding experience. The 2026 Ninja H2R will come equipped with the latest iteration of Kawasaki's sophisticated electronic suite, which includes 1. A Kawasaki Traction Control, KTRC. This system has been upgraded for 2026, providing even more precise control over the bike's power delivery. It will monitor wheel slip in real time, allowing you to push the limits of grip while maintaining complete control of the bike. 2. A Launch Control, KLCM. For those who want to unleash the full power of the H2R on a track or drag strip, the updated launch control system allows for lightning-fast starts with minimal wheel spin. It's perfect for when you want to extract the maximum performance in a controlled environment. 3. Kawasaki Intelligent ABS. The 2026 model features an advanced version of Kawasaki's Intelligent ABS system, which ensures that the bike's braking system responds instantly and appropriately in all conditions. This is complemented by the upgraded electronic suspension system, creating a seamless and responsive riding experience. 4. Quick Shifter. An electronic quickshifter allows you to shift gears without the need for a clutch. This is especially useful when you're out on the track, as it allows you to maintain momentum and focus on your lines rather than worrying about gear changes. 5. Full-color TFT display. Kawasaki has included a full-color TFT display with a highly intuitive interface. You can track performance metrics such as lap times, throttle input, and even tire pressures in real time. It's also compatible with the Kawasaki Rideology app, which allows you to analyze and track your riding data on your smartphone. 6. A Cruise Control. Yes, the H2R is a track-focused monster, but Kawasaki understands that even riders of these machines need comfort. The 2026 H2R will come equipped with cruise control, allowing you to relax on those longer rides or commutes without having to constantly monitor your throttle hand. So, how much will this beast cost? Well, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is expected to retail at a higher price point than previous models, with estimates ranging from $70,000 and to $75,000 in USD. This price puts it firmly in the realm of elite motorcycles, reserved for track enthusiasts and collectors who are looking for the ultimate performance machine. As for availability, Kawasaki is expected to begin production in late 2025, with deliveries starting early in 2026. As with all exclusive performance bikes, the H2R will be produced in limited quantities, so if you want to get your hands on one, you'll need to act quickly once the orders open. Now that we've gone over everything about the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R, I think it's safe to say that Kawasaki has once again redefined what it means to build a hyperbike. The performance, the technology, the design, all of it is top tier. If you're looking for a machine that can take you to the limits of speed and handling, then the H2R is definitely something to watch out for. Alright, that's all for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with your friends who love superbikes as much as we do. Let me know in the comments what you think about this beast. Are you excited for it? What feature stands out the most to you? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe and stay awesome.